Equal clarity about Gaza. We are witnessing now crimes against humanity and war crimes in broad daylight. What appears before us is systematic ethnic cleansing. This needs to end. We need an immediate ceasefire, full humanitarian access, and the unconditional release of all hostages. We need peace for all the innocent people. Iceland unequivocally condemned Hamas's gruesome terrorist attack on Israel October 7th. There is no justification for such brutality, nor the taking of hostages. But nothing, and I mean nothing, can justify the collective punishment of millions of Palestinians. Starvation, bombardment, forced displacement. These acts are cruel, they are inhumane, and they are illegal. There are children dying every day in Palestine. For the past 2 years, at least one child has been killed every hour in Gaza. Every single hour. Iceland recognized Israel in 1948 and Palestine in 2011. Our position remains clear. Both peoples have equal rights to self-determination. Lasting peace depends on it. A two-state solution where Israelis and Palestinians live side by side in peace and mutual recognition remains the only viable path to peace, even if many doubts its feasibility today. If we abandon it, we abandon hope itself. Extremists and spoilers on both sides have long stood in the way of peace. Hamas has no place in the future of Palestine. And when Israeli officials call for annexation or the expulsion of Palestinians, they are not defending Israel's security. They are not defending Israel's security. They are calling for violations of international law. And we call it what it is: hateful, illegal, and a direct obstacle to peace.